front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your device, hitting Allow or while using in all pop-ups if you never used it before, and tapping on this gear at the top right corner to select Recording File Format. When you finished, go back and use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To discard it completely, hit this X at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, unpause it, click on this left one and wait. And to end it and save it, click on the check mark. Now to play your recording, click on it and manage it, thanks to those options at the bottom, or by holding it here and operating all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!